Today we are going to see the relationship between LCM and GCD. If there are two polynomials and if you find the LCM and GCD of the polynomials, then there is a relationship exists. F of x into g of x, that is product of the polynomial is equal to product of their LCM and GCD. Product of the polynomials is equal to product of their LCM and GCD. So, from using this formula we can do the problems because if they give two polynomials and LCM, we can find GCD. Like that, if they give two polynomials and GCD, we can find LCM. And if LCM and GCD and one polynomial is given, we can find the other polynomial. So, these type of sums can be done using this problem, using this formula. Okay. So, the polynomial multiplication of the polynomial is equal to the multiplication of the LCM and GCD. Okay. Now, we can see the exercise problems in exercise 3.3. First one is find the LCM and GCD of the following and verify that f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. We have to verify the formula. Okay. So, the first one is 21x square y and 35x y square. Okay. So, 21x square y 35x y square means first you have to find the GCD of numerical values. Okay. You have to find the numerical values, GCD of numerical values. For that you have to put L division 21 comma 35. If you divide that by 7, you will get 3, 5. So, the common term up to this only we can divide. So, the GCD is 7. GCD is 7. Okay. So, GCD is 7 for numerical, and for the variables what you have to do, you have to take you must take the common variables alone, and in that you have to take the lowest degree. Okay. For GCD you have to see for common term alone and the lowest degree of the common term. Okay. So, here x square you are having, here also you are having x. So, in these two x and x square, the lowest degree is x. So, you are taking x here. Okay. Like that, if you take y, y square, the lowest is y. So, you are taking y. So, GCD is equal to 7xy. For numerical value is 7. For x square and x, you have to take x, and y square and y, you have to take y. Okay. For LCM, you have to multiply all these things. Okay. 7 into 3 into 5. 7 into 3 into 5, what you are getting? 105. Okay. So, 105. For variables, what you have to do? You can, for x and x square, you have to take x square, and for y and y square, you have to take y square. Okay. The highest degree for LCM and lowest degree for GCD, that you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now, if you multiply f of x and g of x, what will you get? F of x into g of x is equal to 21x square y into 35xy square. If you multiply 21 and 35, you will get 735. So, 735 x square into x, x cube, y square into y square, y cube. So, take it as 1. Now, you multiply LCM and GCD. Okay. LCM is 7xy and GCD is 7xy and LCM is 105x square y square. If you multiply a 7 into 105, you are getting 735, and x into x square x cube, y into y square y cube. So, put it as 2. Okay. From 1 and 2, what you observe? From 1 and 2, f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Okay. That is the thing they have asked. Okay. So, the next one, the second sum is x cube minus 1 into x plus 1 comma x cube plus 1. For x cube minus 1, you can write that as x cube minus 1 cube. There is a formula for this: a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. A plus b, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, like that if it is a cube plus b cube, then you will get a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, for a cube plus b cube you will get a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so if it is plus here you will get minus here, if it is minus here you will get, you have to put plus here. Okay, so that is these two things are formula. Okay, already you have studied in your 9th standard. Okay, and now x cube minus 1 can be written as x cube minus 1 cube. So from the formula you can write x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now x here what it is given, x plus x cube minus 1 into x plus 1. So it can be written as x, for this one x plus 1, it is from the sum. So x plus 1 into x cube minus 1 cube. For that you can write the answer you are getting here in this place. Okay, x plus 1 x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Okay, then the next, for the next take the next one, x cube plus 1. For x cube plus 1 it can be written as x cube plus 1 cube, that is a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Using this formula you can write x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Okay, so now you take the GCD. For GCD you have to take only the common terms between these two things. Okay, only the common terms. GCD, for GCD you have to take only the common terms. So here x plus 1 x minus 1 and x square plus x plus 1 is here, and here only x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. So you can take the x plus 1 alone. Okay, so for GCD you have to take the common term. So GCD is equal to x plus 1. For LCM you have to take the common term and the other things also. Okay, so x plus 1 you have, for LCM you can take x plus 1 x minus 1 x square plus x plus 1. X plus 1 is already there, so you need not write. So into x square minus x plus 1. Okay, so common term can be written in one time, only one time you have to write. In that you have to take the highest degree. For LCM you have to take the highest degree of the common term. Here it is in both the things degree is 1, so we are taking x plus 1 alone. Okay, so x plus 1 x minus 1 x square plus x plus 1 x square minus x plus 1. So these two can be merged into what you will get, x plus x cube plus 1. These two can be merged and can be written as x cube plus 1. And these two things, if you take these two things, then it is x cube minus 1. If x cube plus 1 into x cube minus 1, these two things can be written as x cube plus 1 into x cube minus 1. So what you it resembles what, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, that is a plus b into a minus b means a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In the place of a you are having x cube, in the place of b you are having 1. So x cube the whole square minus 1 square, that is x cube the whole square means x power 6. So you have to multiply these two powers now. So x power 6 minus 1 is the answer for LCM. For LCM you are getting x power 6 minus 1. Okay, and now you can write the you can check for the formula. Now LCM into GCD is equal to x plus 1 into x power 6 minus 1. You can take that one, and if f of x into g of x, for f of x it is given what it is given, x cube minus 1 x cube minus 1 into x plus 1 x cube plus 1 comma. So if you multiply these two things, what you are getting, x cube minus 1 x plus 1 into x cube plus 1. These two can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So x cube the whole square minus 1 square into x plus 1, that is x power 6 minus 1 into x plus 1. So take this as 2. Comparing these two, if from 1 and 2, what you are observing, f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Okay, these are the things. And the third sum you can do as a homework. Okay, you try it for as a homework. Now the second one, what it is given, find the LCM of each pair of the following polynomials. Find the LCM. They are giving two polynomials and the GCD. Two polynomials and GCD are given. What you have to find? You have to find the LCM. So find the LCM. The formula, what is the formula? F of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. So LCM, what is LCM? LCM is equal to f of x into g of x. This GCD is coming here as a divisor. So LCM is equal to f of x into g of x by GCD. Okay, f of x into g of x by GCD. Now you write what is f of x? It is given a square plus 4a minus 12 and g of x is a square minus 5a plus 6 by GCD is a minus 2. So these two can be factorized like this. Okay, so from the last term minus 12, so you can divide that as you might have studied in your 9th standard how to find how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial can be factorized in this way, T method. So minus 12, if you multiply, you have to take the factors of the minus 12, so that if multiplied you have to get minus 12, if added you have to get plus 4. Okay, like that you have to take the divisors of minus 12. So for minus 12, 6 into 2. 6, if you put 6, multiply these two things, you are getting minus 12. If you add these two things, you are getting plus 4. So by A, so A plus 6 into A minus 2. So this can be factorized like this, A plus 6 into A minus 2, and this can be factorized as this thing. Okay, the last term is, what is 6? Last is 6. You have to find the factors of 6, so that if you add the factors you have to get minus 5. If you multiply that thing you have to get 6. So if you take minus 3 and minus 2, what you will get? If you add these two things you are getting minus 5. If you multiply these two things you are getting 6 plus 6. So you can write like this. So A minus 3 into A minus 2. So now if you can cancel these two things, a minus 2 can be cancelled. So for LCM you are getting a plus 6 into a minus 2 into a minus 3. Okay, so the next one is x power 4 minus 27 a cube x comma x minus 3a the whole square whose GCD is x minus 3a. So LCM is equal to f of x into g of x by GCD. So I have written all these things here. So x minus 3a the whole square and x minus 3a can be cancelled. So இதில் ஒரு பவர் போயிடும் அப்படிதானா, x minus 3a the whole square இருக்குது, இங்கே x minus 3a இருக்குது. So you can cancel the these two things. So you will the power will go. So x power 4 minus 27 a cube x into x minus 3a is the LCM for this thing. Okay, so you can multiply this thing, these two things, and you can write like that, or you can simply leave it like this. Okay, so the third one, what is the third sum? Third sum you have to find the GCD like the before, the previous one you are it is given. So find the GCD of each pair of the following polynomials: 12x power 4x cube minus x cube and 8 into x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square whose LCM is 24x cube into x minus 1 into x minus 2. They are giving the two polynomials and the LCM, and you have to find out the GCD. So what you have to do, GCD is equal to f of x into g of x by LCM. Okay, so f of x into g of x is equal to GCD into LCM, no. So GCD is equal to f of x into g of x by LCM. So f of x, what is given? 12x power 4 minus x cube into g of x is equal to 8 into x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square. Okay, by LCM is 24x cube x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now the 24 and 12 can be cancelled and can be written as 2. 2 12s are 24, so 2. So 2 and 8, if it is cancelled, you are getting 4. Okay, so x power 4 minus x cube into 4 into x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square is by x cube into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now here you can take the x cube outside. Okay, so I have written the 4 here first. மறந்துடக்கூடாது, இந்த 4 நீங்கள் விட்டுட்டு போயிடக்கூடாது. ஸோ carefully you have to write the 4 first in the first place. So 4 into, now you can take x power 4 and x cube. In this term you can take x cube outside, okay. So you take x cube outside, then you will get x minus 1. Like that, here you can take x square. So common term is x square. So x square can be taken out and you are getting x square minus 3x plus 2 by x cube into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now this x cube and x cube can be cancelled and x minus 1 and x minus 1. So what is the remaining thing? 4 into x square into x square minus 3x plus 2 by x minus 2. Now this quadratic polynomial, this quadratic polynomial can be factorized like this, 2, so minus 1 into minus 2, so you are getting like this. So this can be factorized like this, so x minus 1 into x minus 2, okay. So x minus 2 get cancelled, so for the answer is 4x square into x minus 1, okay. So and the next one, they have given x cube plus y cube comma x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4, whose LCM is x cube plus y cube into x square plus xy plus y square, okay. So GCD is equal to f of x into g of x by LCM. I have written all these things, what and all given in the problem, okay. So now x cube and x cube plus y cube can be cancelled. So the remaining thing, x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 by x square plus xy plus y square. Now this thing can be factorized like this. So x power 4 can be written as x square the whole square plus x square y square, and y power 4 can be written as y square the whole square. So what is the formula for this? You know, use x square plus y square the whole square, x square plus y square the whole square minus xy square. So for this you are getting, for this one, what is the formula? X square plus y square the whole square minus xy the whole square. So it can be written like this. This one is you are getting like this. If you put x square plus y square the whole square, a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and from this one you can take 1 x square y square into the other side. X square plus y square minus xy square is equal to x square plus y square, x square the whole square plus x square y square plus y square. So one in the 2 x square y square இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதில் ஒரு x square y square இந்த பக்கம் ஈக்குவல்ட்டுக்கு முன்னால் கொண்டு போயிட்டீங்கன்னா that will become minus x square y square, and here the 1 x square y square will be there. So for this thing can be written as, x square plus y square the whole square minus xy the whole square. So again the what it resembles, it is like a square minus b square. A square minus b square is always a plus b into a minus b. So this can be written as x square plus y square plus xy into x square plus y square minus xy. So and x square plus y square plus xy can be cancelled, and what is remaining? X square plus y square minus xy. So GCD is x square plus y square minus xy, okay. So the next the fourth sum is LCM and GCD of the polynomials are given, and you have to find out one polynomial is given, you have to find the other one, the second also like that. So for this one also the formula is for one polynomial q of x is equal to LCM into GCD by p of x, okay. So from the formula you can write like this. So I have written all these things what and all given. Now this can be so a minus you can factorize this one, the denominator can be factorized like this, a minus 7 into a minus 5. So a minus 7 into a minus 5, so a minus 7 get cancelled, okay. So then what is the remaining thing? A cube minus 10 a square plus 11a by 10 plus 70 by a minus 5. So now what you can do, no, you can do this one in two way. You can use the synthetic method, what you have which one which you have studied in your 9th standard, okay. Using that synthetic method you can simplify this one, or you can simply divide using the long division method, okay. I have done this in a long division way. Okay, so a cube minus 10a square plus 11a plus 70 is the divisor is a minus 5. If you divide a cube by a, what you are getting? A square. So I have written that. So a into, if you multiply this thing by this thing, you will getting like this. Then the first term is 5a minus 5a square. If you divide that by a, you are getting minus 5a, and then you have to multiply this one with these two things, you are getting here. Then the first term is minus 14a. So if you divide minus 14a by a, you are getting minus 14. So minus 14 is multiplied with a minus 5 and you are getting 0 like this. So the what you are getting? A square minus 5a minus 14. If you divide these two things, you are getting this one. So the q of x, the another polynomial is a square minus 5a minus 14. The second one also they have asked the p of x, that is p of x is equal to LCM into GCD by q of x. So it is I have written all these things here. Now x power 4 minus y power 4 can be cancelled. So now this can be written as again using this using the same formula like this. You can use that formula here. Okay, so this can be written as x square plus y square minus xy square. Okay, x square plus y square the whole square minus xy the whole square. This can be written as. Okay, so then the another one is everything as in the above step. Okay, now x square plus y square the whole square minus xy the whole square can be written as a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So these two things are cancelled. So the remaining thing is x square minus y square into x square plus y square plus xy. So that is the another polynomial. That's all about the GCD and LCM relationship. Okay.